In the exciting world of real estate, property management plays a crucial role. It ensures that properties are well maintained, tenants are happy, and investments are profitable. As someone who's navigated the high-stakes real estate market in New York City, I can't stress enough how important it is to understand the ins and outs of property management. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, grasping these concepts is key to success. Think of property management as the backbone of successful real estate investing. It's about maximizing the value of your investment while minimizing headaches. That's why it's essential to have a solid understanding of property management agreements, accounting procedures, maintenance responsibilities, and legal compliance. Navigating the world of tenants, leases, and maintenance can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. In this guide, we'll break down the essential elements of property management in a clear and concise way. We'll explore topics like lease agreements, rent collection, property maintenance, and legal obligations. By the end of this guide, you'll have a solid foundation in property management, empowering you to make informed decisions and maximize your investments. Remember, knowledge is power, especially in the competitive world of real estate. Let's dive in. A property management agreement is a legally binding contract between a property owner and a property manager. It outlines the rights and responsibilities of both parties. This agreement is crucial because it establishes a clear understanding of how your property will be managed. Key components of a property management agreement include the scope of services, fees, and the duration of the agreement. The scope of services outlines what the property manager is responsible for, such as collecting rent, handling maintenance requests, and marketing vacant units. Fees are typically a percentage of the collected rent. The duration specifies the length of the contract. It's essential to carefully review and understand all the terms of the agreement before signing. Pay close attention to the details, such as termination clauses and any limitations on the property manager's liability. Don't hesitate to ask questions and seek clarification on any points that seem unclear. Remember, a well-drafted property management agreement protects both the owner and the manager, ensuring a smooth and successful partnership. It's a foundational document in the world of property management. One of the most critical aspects of property management is handling finances responsibly. This includes collecting rent, paying expenses, and providing regular financial reports to the property owner. It's crucial to maintain separate bank accounts for property funds and personal funds. This separation ensures transparency and simplifies accounting. Regular financial reports are essential for tracking income and expenses. These reports should provide a clear picture of the property's financial health. Property managers are also responsible for handling property maintenance. This includes routine tasks like landscaping and cleaning, as well as responding to tenant repair requests promptly. Efficiently managing maintenance requests is vital for tenant satisfaction. Delays in addressing issues like plumbing problems or appliance malfunctions can lead to tenant complaints and potential legal issues. It's also essential to have a plan for handling emergency repairs. This plan should include a list of trusted contractors who can respond quickly to urgent situations. Remember, effective financial management and proactive maintenance are essential for protecting your investment and ensuring the long-term success of your rental property. Leasing a property involves several steps, from marketing the unit to screening potential tenants and drafting a lease agreement. When marketing a property, it's essential to comply with fair housing laws. These laws prohibit discrimination based on race, religion, national origin, familial status, disability, or other protected characteristics. Tenant screening is crucial for selecting responsible and reliable tenants. This process typically involves background checks, credit checks, and verification of employment and rental history. A well-drafted lease agreement is essential for protecting your interests as a property owner. The lease should clearly outline the terms of the tenancy, including the rent amount, security deposit, lease duration, and tenant responsibilities. When it comes to collecting rent and security deposits, it's essential to establish clear procedures and adhere to local laws. State laws often dictate how security deposits must be handled. Remember, complying with fair housing laws and having a thorough understanding of landlord-tenant law are crucial for avoiding legal issues and fostering positive landlord-tenant relationships. Working for the property owner means always acting in their best interests. This includes maximizing their return on investment while protecting their asset. Fiduciary duties are a significant responsibility for property managers. They involve acting honestly, in good faith, and with loyalty to the property owner's interests. Property managers often handle substantial sums of money, making financial transparency paramount. They must keep accurate records of all transactions and provide regular accountings to the owner. Understanding and complying with the Fair Housing Act is non-negotiable in property management. This act prohibits discrimination based on race, color, religion, national origin, sex, disability, and familial status in all aspects of housing, including renting, selling, lending, and advertising. Property managers must treat all applicants and tenants fairly and equally, regardless of their background or protected characteristics. In conclusion, mastering property management is essential for anyone involved in real estate. Understanding the intricacies of lease agreements, financial management, maintenance responsibilities, legal compliance, and ethical conduct is crucial for success in this field. By applying the knowledge and insights shared in this guide, you can navigate the world of property management with confidence and achieve your real estate goals.